How to use Snapchat's new time travel filter. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Snapchat's new time travel filter. Snapchat's time travel filter is here and it's so much fun. Let me show you how to use it. First, open Snapchat and go to the camera screen and tap the smiley face icon to access filters. In the Explore tab, search for time travel. Select the filter and it's ready to use. Slide the timeline to see how you would look at different ages, either younger or older. Snap, share and amaze your friends. And that's how you time travel with Snapchat. Cool, right? If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.